In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error Code 21 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that appears when you try to install Adobe Illustrator and the installation suddenly fails with Error Code 21. In most cases, this happens because Windows Compatibility mode is interfering with the installer, your computer doesn't meet the latest system requirements, or the installer itself is outdated. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix once you know what to check. I'm going to walk you through several simple solutions step by step, so you can get Illustrator installed and running without errors. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into the first fix. The first and most common solution is disabling Windows Compatibility mode for the Illustrator installer. Adobe installers are designed to run on modern versions of Windows, and if compatibility mode is enabled, it can cause installation failures, including Error Code 21. To fix this, first locate the setup.exe file for Illustrator. This will usually be in your Downloads folder or inside the Illustrator installation folder if you already extracted the files. Once you find the setup.exe file, right-click on it and click Properties. A new window will open with several tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Compatibility. Inside this section, look for the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode for. If that box is checked, uncheck it so compatibility mode is completely disabled. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Now try running the installer again by double-clicking the setup.exe file. In many cases, this alone fixes Adobe Illustrator Error Code 21 immediately. If the error still appears, the next thing you should check is whether your computer meets the latest Adobe Illustrator system requirements. Sometimes this error happens because the installer detects that your operating system or hardware does not meet the minimum requirements. For example, running an outdated version of Windows 10 or having insufficient RAM can cause the installation to fail. To verify this, visit the official Adobe Illustrator System Requirements page on Adobe's website. Compare the listed requirements with your system specifications. Make sure your Windows version is fully updated and that your system has enough RAM and storage available. Updating Windows and restarting your computer can sometimes resolve the issue right away. Another important step is making sure you are using the latest Illustrator installer from Adobe. Error Code 21 can appear when the installer payload version is not compatible with the installation service on your system. The easiest way to fix this is to download a fresh installer directly from the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Open your browser, go to Adobe's official Creative Cloud page, sign in with your Adobe account, and download the newest installer. Once the download finishes, run the installer again and attempt the installation from scratch. If you are still experiencing the error, you can try reinstalling the Creative Cloud desktop application. Sometimes the installation service used by Adobe apps becomes corrupted or outdated. Uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop application from your system, then download the latest version from Adobe's website and install it again. After reinstalling Creative Cloud, try installing Illustrator one more time. Another advanced fix is using the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool removes leftover files from previous installations that may be causing conflicts. Download the Cleaner tool from Adobe's website, run it, remove any Adobe or Creative Cloud remnants, and then attempt a fresh installation. Finally, you should check for background installer processes that may be blocking the new installation. Open Task Manager on Windows by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Then look for any processes named Setup, Installer, or Adobe Installer. If you see any stuck processes, end those tasks and then run the Illustrator installer again. And that's how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error Code 21 step by step. One of these methods will usually solve the problem and allow Illustrator to install normally. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.